Hello beautiful people, hope you're all doing very well. Welcome to another one of my videos. In today's video, we will be talking about how to do your own brow lamination at home using only one toolkit that I purchased from Amazon. If you're interested for this tutorial, stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so I purchased this lash lift kit from Amazon. This one was only $24.99 in Canadian dollars, and honestly, after reading the reviews on this, I realized that it's actually also meant to be used for the brows as well, and every single person that has used it wrote great reviews on it, and so I don't think that there should be any issues with it, and I'm super excited for the results. So this is called Lash Lift Perming Kit, and then once you open the kit, this is what you get inside. So you get a false lash glue, and then you get the first perming solution, then you get the fixation, and then you get the nutrition, and then you get the cleanser. They also come with these clean tools and lift. They also come with these clean tools and lift pads, as well as these eye care pads, which I'm not going to be using since I'm going to be doing an eyebrow lamination, not a lash lift, eyebrow lamination. Okay, tools that you will be needing is cotton pads and Q-tips. You will also need a spoolie and this eyebrow brush that I just had with me. You don't need this, but the spoolie is a must. You're gonna need a spoolie for sure. And that is all. I also did a headband on my head just because I don't want to get any of my own hair into the whole situation. But you're also gonna need cling wrap, which is just plastic wrap from your kitchen, super easy to get. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm first going to take the number 4 cleanser that comes inside the kit, and I'm going to dab some of that onto my cotton pad, and I'm just going to quickly cleanse my eyebrows before starting. Make sure there are no oils or moisturizer inside. Okay guys, now the second step after cleansing is to grab the false lash glue and just apply that to your eyebrows. I'm going to take that and just brush it through my brows. And you better work fast with this because it's glue and you don't want it to dry. And make sure you're coating it generously. My eyebrow brush, and I'm going to brush them in the direction that I want them to go. Now I like my brows to all go upwards. And I'm switching to the spoolie. Okay, now I'm going in with the second perming solution. This is the second step. And I'm going to take one Q-tip and I'm going to dip it in. You coat every single strand of hair. Guys, 10 minutes is up. Now I'm going to take off the cling wrap, and it's important that you take it from under, like take it off from under, not from over. Okay, so now we're just going to remove the remaining perming solution that's left on my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using Y-shaped spatula. Okay guys, now I'm going in with the third step, which is the fixation. And I'm going to just generous amount. Just going to go all over the brows. This is so satisfying. It feels so good to take it off. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to scrape out any of the excess product that's in the little hairs into the cleanser. And I'm just going to cleanse. Okay, so now that I've fully cleansed my eyebrows, they're looking fabulous. I'm going to be trimming a little bit of the brow hairs, just a tiny bit. Okay, now we're going in with the last step, which is the nutrition step. I'm going to be taking a Q-tip and I'm going to coat all of the brows completely with this nutrition step. This is the finished look of the brows, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.